so we got another box of quarters, and just in case, oh, we did get some Tallgrass Prairie right here. There's some enders of Tallgrass Prairie. I don't know if that means there are any West Points in there, but, and you know what's interesting is you have like some rolls. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. I felt like maybe they were different, but
yeah, but that's, look, like, that's probably all Tallgrass Prairie.
Yeah, just like that last one. And the last box that we had like that, where some rolls were all Tallgrass Prairie and other rolls were pretty much all mixed, those had W's.
Ooh, well, let's get in and take a look.
Yeah. So we were going through this off camera, and look what Maid Marian found.
Oop, can you see it, the W?
Yep. So we have a West Point in this box, and there's probably more.
Let's see if we...
So I went ahead and grabbed another box of circulated coins. This one does not appear to have any brand new uncirculated. And then here is the one that we just got done opening. So we have, I believe, 15 or 16 rolls with brand new enders. So hopefully it's about a 30 to 40% brand new box. And hopefully there's some more W's with that W that's on the end. And as always, we're going to be giving away one of our finds from the hunt. And all you have to do to enter that giveaway is watch this video, leave a comment, and then watch our next video to see if you won. And at the end of this video, we're going to pick the winner from our last video's giveaway. Well, we've been talking too much. Let's get in here, see if we can find some silver, proofs, West Points, anything else to add to our collection and give away.
All right, we are on roll 11 of the first box, and I had to record it because I found a proof, an estimate. So you can kind of see Louisiana 2002. So just wanted to share first find of the first box, roll 11. So hopefully we can find some more. I did find also, I have two so far. They're only, but it's the new 2020. I don't think it's the latest one, but I don't think that we have this one. So we gotta wait. TJ's out melting while I'm looking. So, all right, we are on roll 26 of the first box, and I found our first foreign of the box. I have no idea what it is from, but TJ can get on his little coin staff and find out for us. All right, we'll see what we find next.
Yep.
All right, guys, well, we are all done with box number 1, and we did come up with our estimate mark, which was, what was it? Louisiana 2002. We had our foreign coin. Still don't know what that is, but we're going to have TJ take a look in CoinScope, I think it is. And then I found a few of these Marsh Billings Rockefeller quarters that we don't have yet. They're just Denver Mint Mark, but as I was saying, we didn't have any, so I pulled those to the side to hang on to. We do have a few of the errors to look for, and TJ will be on that and add that in if we find any. All right, super excited to get into box 2. I gotta wait for TJ to get back to be able to do that, but we should have some W's in there, as we have already seen, and I think he called them the grassland, this little one right here, but we got a new quarter there. So super excited. So stay tuned and let's see what we find.
So I just got done pouring the silver pours that I was working on. Here is a Mandalorian helmet. I thought that was pretty cool. And then here is a Superman emblem. Just came out really nice. And these are available on Robinhoodcoins.com if you wanted to check them out or purchase one. You can check that out. Now it's time for box number 2, and I was really excited about this box because we did find that West Point Ender, and it's the Tallgrass Prairie, which we don't have very many of. So hopefully we have a bunch of West Points in here. We'll kick it off with roll number 1. Working on roll number 7, and we have our first West Point right there. It is most likely a Tallgrass Prairie. It is a 2020 because you have the V75 right there, the privy. So let's just see what it is. Here we go. And it is Tallgrass Prairie, West Point. First one we have found in rolls in this channel. That is exciting.
Woohoo! All right, we are on roll 11, and Robinhood might have found the first one, but Mama Hood found the second W, and I haven't flipped it over, but I'm assuming it's a
Tallgrass Prairie. More than likely.
I dropped it.
Yes, it is. Good job.
Thanks.
That is awesome.
All right, I gotta go find my next one. All right, don't go far, because still on roll 11, and I got a second one.
Look at you. You are the queen of multiple.
I love W's.
Yeah, me too. Good job.
Thanks.
We are working on roll number 20 and 21, and I had another West Point. I haven't flipped it over.
Ooh. Come see me after you're done.
Oh, you got one too?
Maybe.
Nice. This one, I haven't flipped it over yet, and it's a Tallgrass Prairie. I assumed that it was, but that is good stuff. That makes number 4. And then we'll have to see what Maid Marian has, or Mama Hood over here.
Okay, so I have a W.
And it's another Tallgrass Prairie. That is good stuff.
Okay, but you should have, look.
Did you have another one?
I got another one.
Ah, you are the queen of multiple.
Another one in the same roll. Should we look on Parman's like, hang on.
But last time we did this,
you
didn't get a third.
Oh, look, that was a beat up.
Let's see though. Hopefully you can get it at 3. Last box that we had.
Oh, look!
You got one. That is awesome.
3. What roll number am I on? 3 in
20.
that roll.
One of us is on 20 and one of us is on 21. So Maid Marian is about to work on roll 31 right there. 100% uncirculated. And there you go. We have 19 rolls left. And I found another West Point. As you can see, there's no privy. So we know that this is a 2019. Let's see what it is. And it's at War in the Pacific. We will take it. Any West Point all day long. That is good. And War in the Pacific is actually one of my favorite designs. Very cool. I am working on roll 32 here. I already flipped it over because it was reverse showing. So it is a Tallgrass Prairie, but we have another West Point right there. A little bit scratched up on the cheek, but it's still a West Point Tallgrass Prairie. We will take it. We're working on roll 45, and I found my first foreign of the night. We have a República de Panama 2008 right there. Check that out. Gotta love those Balboas. That is very cool. We'll put that up there with the other one that Mama Hood found. And keep looking for the silver or the W's. I have never seen this before. But Mama Hood just found a colorized coin right here. I don't know if it's painted or if it's a sticker. I think it's painted. But look at that. Glacier. And that the Glacier 2011 is a relatively low mintage. I mean, relative to the years around it. But to have it colorized as well, that is cool. That's definitely a keeper. This is roll number 47, and it is the West Point Ender that we found at the beginning of the video. It has the V75, and most of the West Points we have found have been Tallgrass Prairie. So I have I believe it's probably going to be a tall grass prairie, but let's find out. Look at that, all uncirculated. And here is the West Point right here. And it is a tall grass prairie. That makes number 9 for the box. And I figure I'll just cruise through here and I'll time lapse it to make it a little bit quicker. And we will just see if we can get a West Point or 2 or 3. Oh, the other end! The other end was reverse. That is awesome. We did get 2 West Points in that roll. That is great. This one's pretty scratched up though. But it's still a West Point with a cool privy. We will take it. And number 10. We are all done with the 2 boxes, and now it's time for the second hunt. We're gonna go through all these years in mint marks to check for errors and varieties. We have a bunch to look for, including the spitting horse, which is my little helper's favorite.
Ew,
and
I love the spitting horse too.
And the pooping horse from Nevada. We have the extra leaf we're looking for in the Wisconsin. Philadelphia, or Denver, I mean, and then the extra branch in South Carolina. Just a bunch that we're going to be looking for. So let's dig in with the scope and see if we have any.
We found a leaky bucket.
But first, here is an example of the
normal bucket.
normal bucket.
And now show them the leaky one.
The leaky one is right here.
You can see there is a die cut at the bottom of the bucket, which looks like, which makes the bucket look like
there's water coming out of it. Yep, because of the extra metal right there stuck at the bottom of the bucket. So we finally found the leaky bucket, huh, girls?
Yeah!
We are all done looking for errors and varieties, so now it's time for the overall wrap-up. It was really exciting to find that leaky bucket in the Homestead, Philadelphia quarter, so that was really cool. First time we've ever found that. It was fun to show the girls as well. Mama Hood found that proof quarter, the Louisiana State Quarter Proof San Francisco Mint. That was a good find. And then she also found a Thailand 5 baht. That was interesting to look up on Coinoscope. I really like the design. How it has like a rounded front or top and then almost like a hexagon bottom. But it's just a cool looking design on this coin. And then I found a Panama quarter, the Balboa. I like that one. I found several of these. And I don't know if I have 2008 or not, but I know I have several of them. This is the first time we've ever found a colorized quarter. And it is a Glacier. That quarter is a relatively low mintage compared to the ones around it. Not actually low mintage, but just compared to the ones around, the years and mints around it. But cool finding that colorized coin. And then we also found 10 West Points of the Tallgrass Prairie. And that is the first time we have found these in the rolls. Love that privy for 2021, or sorry, for 2020. Really excited to find those. And then finally, we ended up with a War in the Pacific West Point. That was a nice little find too. It's always fun to find those 2019s just because they've been hunted so heavily. It's nice finding those in the rolls. Overall, it was a good hunt though. So now it's time to pick the winner from our giveaway on our last video. And our last video was a $50 hunt, and we were giving away a pair of 40%ers that we found during that hunt. So let's go ahead. I already put the URL right here, and now we're gonna go ahead and get the number of unique comments. So we're gonna press that, 136 unique commenters. And so we're going to go ahead and spin it and see who is going to win an 80%er, aka 2 40%ers. Cheyenne Bomick, you are like an angel for coin collectors. Well, congratulations, Cheyenne Bomick. You won the 2 40%ers that we found during our last hunt, which was that $50 hunt. And so email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com to claim your prize. The Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's video is going to be this West Point Tallgrass Prairie right here, 2020. Got to love that privy. As always, to enter this giveaway, just comment on this video and then be sure to watch our next video, not our next live stream, but our next video where we're going to go ahead and pick the winner for this giveaway right here. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun to do this hunt with the family. It was a lot of fun finding these finds, especially the new Tallgrass Prairie West Points. If you did enjoy it, please smash that like button. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss any giveaways or videos. And we will see you on the next hunt.